Out in the morning light, brushing my hand, chasing the coastline, chasing the land. From the dunes to the fields, the colors awake. Every stroke tells a story, every line I make. Markets and pop-up shows, setting up each day, meeting the faces who brighten the way. From Sycamore Gap to the Cheviot Hills, capturing moments that give the heart a thrill. Northumberland skies, painting my life in time. Every season's a canvas, every shadow a sign. From the first light to sunset's glow, I've been on this journey, and I've got miles to go. Ruby by my side in the wind and the rain, family laughter echoing through every frame. From pastels to oils, from bold strokes to loose, finding the rhythm, the harmony, the muse. Northumberland skies, painting my life in time. Every season's a canvas, every shadow a sign. Northumberland skies.
This would be a better view sitting down here.
My home.